Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, update's not the right word, but confirmation is certainly a very strong word that would apply here. And the big point of confirmation comes about via the fact that, well, both of these levels that I talked about before came into play today. So the first level that came into play was this morning, actually a couple times this morning. Price bounced off that level of support right there, that green line, came back down, bounced off it again, and then just basically spent the entire afternoon hovering right around that area. So moral of the story there, that 2270 is certainly going to be a very key level of support that I'm sure a lot of people will be watching moving forward and wondering, can that level continue to hold? And to be fair and, give credit where credit's due, so far so good. That level has done a fantastic job of holding strong. So you're going to want to continue to watch that area moving forward as a level of support. And then on the flip side, during that nice little bounce here that occurred, you can see that the bounce quite literally stopped right up there at that red line, which again, I have not moved or anything like that, but that's right up there around the 2450 mark, give or take a little bit. But overall, that just makes that area that much more attractive to those breakout players. So there's going to be that many more people watching it, which is important because when you have a lot of people watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce a whole lot of upside buying pressure. So if the price can get up there and actually get through the 2450, again, not a guarantee. My point is it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that the price very well could create quite a bit of an upside movement there. So watch that very closely. And then, of course, you still have the next level up there at 2750. But as of now, that's a little irrelevant given the fact that the price first just needs to be able to get up above the 2450 mark. But all in all, I realize that if you've watched past videos, I didn't really talk about anything new per se, but we definitely got confirmation that these, both these levels remain very important technical levels. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.